I don't know about you, but I am involved from last number of years with this type of activities. Let's say you have the Google Plus, where you can create your account, you can discuss with your colleagues. Then there is a mailing list. Fortunately, in our institute, we started the email facility in 90s, much ahead of the time basically. Sri Chetan and Mani did this job basically, not in our institute, even in the nearby institute. At that time, email was a big thing basically. So he provided all the information. Even he created the news groups basically, worldwide news group, where you can discuss your problems with the other colleagues. So Bioclues is maybe the extended version. This is a non-profit organization, or I will say other way around, it's a virtual organization basically. Why it's a virtual organization? It's everything is through the news group. They are helping the public, they are helping the students in providing a different type of communications. They are sharing what type of jobs are available, what type of news are available, particularly in the bioinformatics, basically, biological sciences. So they have a lot of information. They are here from a number of years basically and providing a lot of services. A lot of students are already involved basically in these activities. And I will not go into the detail because it will take long time for me to go for the detail basically. They have starting in 2005 basically, and they have different activities. That is basically, if you broadly classify, mentoring, outreach, research to the awareness, and then so they are providing all these facilities basically, and they are much more prone towards the students basically. They want more and more students to grow basically. So there is a lot of information is available. I am again skipping due to the time, but if you are interested, particularly students are interested, if you put on the Google just Bioclues basically, you will get a lot of hits. You will get the information about Bioclues. Their website is there, and they are providing all services online basically. Okay. They organize in order to promote the facility. They are basically facilitating the young scientists in this country basically. So that we call the Birds Award basically, Bioclues award basically. And this year we are happy to announce that Dr. Vinod Scaria got this award basically. So give him the. I know him from the beginning actually, the day he joined the engineering. I know from that day basically. So we are a good friend from the old time, and he is doing a fantastic job. I really appreciate his work basically, and he is truly deserves of this award. He has done a lot of contributions. I am not going into the detail about the contributions basically, and I will request our president, SIS president, Dr. Nesh Kumar, to facilitate Vinod Scaria. Vinod Scaria, please. Thank you very much. I will request Johnny to give a bouquet to. He is the representative of Bioclues.
Can I read this also?
Yeah.
He has this citation, and this citation I have the pleasure to read, and I read. This certificate is awarded to Dr. Vinod Scaria for an outstanding contribution in the area of functional genomics and bioinformatics for the year 2014. Vinod received this Bioclues Innovation Research and Development Award for an impeccable research that he has done in the last 4 years, and this is signed by Prashant Surjawala, the founder.
I know you. You believe in that one. Okay. Now I will hand over the stage to Dr. Kumar for